welcome back to my videos, and today I'm going to be teaching you the trick Brent stole, and in this video I'm going to be using the Basecamp Navigator. Let's get into it. One thing that could help you with this trick is learning my 10-minute trick challenge trick, because that uses some elements in Brent stole. For this trick, you're going to want to know the trick 1.5 mount. It is necessary for this trick. Anyways, from here, for the 1.5 mount, you go 1.5 mount, and then you're going to want to pinch in. So then the string on your pointer falls off, but you still have the loop. So when you have that motion, you pinch in, and then from the momentum of it swinging, you can pinch in. It'll swing this way. You're going to want to swing it to the back. When you get to the back, you have to keep your fingers pinched in and swing it out towards yourself and back in. You're going to swing up, and then it's going to land on the same string. It's one of those things that it just happens. You don't really do it. You can't really do much about it, and you keep your hand pinched in. And then what you want to do is you want to curl your finger in so then it untwists the string. Because you can see it's twisted, you can untwist that. So then what you want to do from there is you go here, and then you want to twist your hand back out so you have a pointer finger again. And then you want to pop over so it's in this modified 1.5 mount. And then this is the hardest part of the trick, and it involves a lot of slack. So you want to have the yo-yo as close as you can to your finger in this trick. As you can see, mine is pretty close. So this is probably the hardest part again. You get here, and then you're going to let go of the slack and move your finger out. And if you miss it, it'll probably end up like this. You can stick your finger back in to get the 1.5 mount again if you mess up. So you go here, and then you're going to want to loop your finger around the yo-yo, like that. You go over into this, and catch the slack loop in midair. The hardest part is catching the slack loop, but once you get it down, it's going to seem really easy. And that is the trick Brent stole. Thank you for all of you that tuned into this episode. See you in the next video.